Welcome to the Adelaide Investigator VIG newsletter. I'm Angelo Mina and I'm the Managing Director of Adelaide Property Finders. In today's segment we're going to be looking at the South Australian economy and where it's all heading. Economic confidence and prosperity often have a close relationship to investor spending, and to tell us more about where the economy is going, we're going to be speaking with Brian Cunningham. Brian works with the South Australian Government and is the Chief Executive at the Department of Trade and Economic Development. So let's go have a chat with Brian.
It's interesting. I mean, property is a hot topic at the moment, particularly people in terms of their homes. They obviously have a vested interest in looking at the value of their property, and house prices are rising enormously in South Australia and Australia for that matter. And my understanding is that Australia is becoming one of the least affordable places to buy a property, to own a house, for example. But that's a result of the fact that we have industry that's growing very, very strongly. We have skills that need to have a very, very high immigration rate as a result. So the more houses that get built, the more houses we need. And I know that there's at the moment, as many houses as they can build, as quickly as they can build them, it's not enough for the way that the population goes forward. Where the private sector fits in, the private sector generates the wealth for the state, and property and property development is all part of that. I just listen and read, but certainly in the next few years it looks like the property sector is a particularly popular sector for investors to work in. The share market hasn't necessarily come out of its lethargy yet. The last 6 months have been particularly flat in the share market, so you expect that people are looking to put their money into better investments. Property is a great opportunity for people, and I think by my reading in the foreseeable future that will continue to be.